Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging, and I'm here with my good friend Z from ViTrox's.
Thank you, Keith. Thanks for having me again. It's very well to attend your interview every year.
Yes, I enjoy it, and I enjoy hearing a lot of the new stuff which is happening. And you tell me you have more new product introductions than ever before. So that's got to be my easy first question. Tell us everything exciting that's happening.
Well, yeah, there are a lot of things to tell. This is the best year by far, me joining ViTrox, that we have so many MPI released, and it has been selling very, very well, highly adopted by customers. We have at least 6 to 7 MPI launching this year, and all of those are at a very different game plan, bring a new expectations to the customers.
Yes, because I know you guys are getting into the semiconductor end and you're looking at more, let's say, complex stuff and also higher resolution X-ray. So yeah, a lot of stuff. Huh?
True. One of the few stuff that I want to further elaborate is the back-end solutions. We call it DST. It's a top and bottom side camera Z height inspections. Can not just cater for the normal conventional back-end process like the through-hole, post-wave. Right now we can do the pin insertions, inspections, coordinate measurements. Also on the underfill inspections, go as low as 7 micron resolution. So all those are very exciting, helping customers to solve a lot of problems and highly adopted by all the segments.
Yes, underfill inspection has been a huge problem for a lot of years, and as we get more complexity now, more people are using underfill, so it becomes a bigger problem.
Correct. You mentioned it very well, Keith. How we look into that is the lighting, the contrast, the reflection itself, the voidings inside the underfills that we need to find. So all these are actually not easy for a conventional AY. So we have a lot of breakthroughs on the vision sides to be able to help customers to do a very good job on it.
And another thing that's not easy is being able to inspect for cracking also. Huh?
Correct. You mentioned it very good, is that cracking has been industrial challenging situations. We managed to address this biggest concern from customers by using the latest Vision Pro solutions, combining the SWIR, being able to inspect the crack for the outer layers and also inner layers. So on the outer layers, we can inspect the crack as small as 1 micron.
Wow, that's quite an impressive one. And also you're down to a low level of microns with inline X-ray also.
Yeah, conventional X-rays no longer can serve a lot of requirements in the markets. As component goes, more miniatures, more finals, the X-rays that we are designing is at the 2 micron level of the resolution. So being able to go into the semiconductors level, even on the SMT with the microchips on it, we can inspect it very well.
Yeah. So this is a good reason why a lot of new things are coming out. And what about the more, let's say, the wider challenges that we get with AOI? Because we have, obviously things are getting smaller and smaller, but on the other end with EV, things are getting bigger again and taller again and heavier and harder to inspect. So do you have anything that fits into this market space?
Yes. In terms of the form factors, whether it's on the board, on the component itself, on the dimensions, we basically addressed those many years ago. But with wider spectrums of the products, the things we still have to make it become easier, regardless the test subject. So AI is one of the things that we heavily invested, and also the solutions from us is widely implemented, adopted by customers from the programming side, from the self-tuning side, from the buy-off side. So the whole full stream solutions helping customers to address their needs regardless of the form factors, the size and the dimensions.
Okay. So when you're developing your products, you're looking at obviously the advanced technologies that are coming along, the requirements from the customer, but also what is going to be happening in the market in the future as well. So
Yes.
you're covering the basis. Yeah.
Yeah, the team in ViTrox is highly talented, and then being able to work with industrial leaders to anticipate what is coming, and then preparing the products while it is brewing on different aspects. I mean, in the market. So once markets have that requirements, we have the solutions to help our customers.
Okay. And my last question is, since I've known you guys and been working with you, you've been into 3 different buildings. From the sound of the way things are going, do you have a plan for a 4th one already?
The growth for ViTrox never stops, and then we have a huge plant. If you happen to come to our office, you'll see the big master plans of us growing our campus. Right now, our focus will be on the next building. The upcoming one will be on our ViTrox universities that are going to be ready next year. And after the universities, we'll focus on more and more developments and new building establishment.
So always moving forward, always growing. Huh?
Never stop.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for coming in and sharing with us. And we'll see you somewhere around the world or back here next year.
Thank you, Keith.